अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। Health is wealth. Health is wealth. His fit body is one that is disease-free and active. There are several ways by which one can acquire fitness, among them running, swimming, exercising, doing yoga, maintaining and displace life cleanliness, a healthy diet, etc. plays a scientific role. Health is such a luxury that not everyone is granted. Easily being, easily being unhealthy will automatically drain your money for paying the doctor, buying medicine, paying for hospital bills, etc. Therefore, if you have good health, then you can earn your riches. Two kinds of people exist on earth, one who are very conscious about their health and work hard to keep it fit, and the others are the basic coach potatoes who are lazy, lazy than a sloth.